Time for inspection. Extreme events for the sound. Mas for hosting us. Yeah, for a very good game of basketball. Promoting basketball in Western Uganda. Wait. So this is the tip for the cameras of call it FOMO. Before the real thing begins. There we go.
Thank you, Master.
Less than 8 minutes before the official tip-off. Extreme left of the court. You've just arrived. This will be pass basket is in. The basket has 1 point.
Okay, my name is Wambale Joshua Trust and I'm captain of Kasese basketball team. I'm so excited for the Western Basketball League and to be a part of it is really a blessing. I want to first take this chance to thank our sponsors, Aquafina, the foundation that is sponsoring us. We're really grateful for this chance and this empowerment to be a part, a part of this, and to see our talent be put out there as the young people and to be supported, because we have played basketball and a platform like this is a big thing for us. So for the youth out there, this, and for the sportsmen out there, especially the basketballers, this is something to embrace. This is a platform to show out your talent and express yourself, because there's a lot in us and there's a lot of potential in us. So for the Kasese people,
there are 4.
Let us kindly tell the people that are here to sound them.
Come on, Mbarara, come on!
1 basket gone, trying for the second, and he misses the 2.
Company with technologies. With technologies, beyond basketball. Kintu ekyokutungura sports nashi entaranga z'eminyeeto n'oburengerezo ninteekateeka ngu initiatives nk'ezi eziza kuyamba munonga eminyeeto kukozesa amaani gaabo omu bintu eby'omugasho. Twine eminyeeto mingi muri Uganda omwaka ogwagati nagati tubakureeberaho nka median age n'emyaka 16. So mbwenu kikooreka ngu twine abantu bingi 52% y'ihanga tashoboye kuburingiraho abari bato amaani gaabo otagatiire mu sports bagacanoringa mu sports nashoboye bintu bikozesa amaani bingi babaasa kugateeka omu bintu ebitarabagashire kukozesa emibazi ebitokubuza bwongo. Mbwenu nkiyamba na munonga initiatives nk'ezi eza beyond basketball kuyija kubayamba.